those signs.
Good morning, folks. Today is October 18th, Wednesday, 2017, and we're here at the Edward R. Roybal Center and Federal Building. I am going to help code enforcement so that the laws in Los Angeles, California are enforced. I'm walking over there to that sign that is disrespecting our president, President Trump, and Mike Pence, and I'm going to take it down.
Let's see what the sign says.
Just like that.
Show me what the sign says. Show me what the sign says.
That's what the sign says.
It says no.
This is what code enforcement should be doing.
Drive out Pence.
Tearing
Trump.
these signs down. Thank you for your service, sir. Tomorrow, Robin, this is what I think about their filthy, disrespectful signs.
And we have another gentleman headed up to the other one. So we are doing our civic duty in downtown Los Angeles. And now we have, let's take a look, we have a sign-free stoplight post, and we'll be disposing of these signs properly in a trash receptacle. Should there be more posted, we will be back.
Yes, we will. More. Oh, there's some more right down there. It's only a few feet away.
So we've spotted some more. Our team's headed down that way. Looks like these are in Spanish. That says against Trump and Pence in Spanish. So we're going to take these down. They say no to Trump and Pence.
What it did?
So again, we're tearing up these foul signs that oppose our president and our vice president. What kind of hand signal was that?
And we will be back. Believe me, we will be back to enforce code enforcement because Los Angeles can't do their job. We'll do it for them.
Making Los Angeles great again, taking down one sign at a time.
California great